Raw steel arrived daily, the lifeblood of the arsenal of democracy.
Steel, the lifeblood of the arsenal, arriving daily. Steel, the lifeblood of the arsenal, arriving daily.
From raw steel to the finished M1911, this sorting area is the vital first step in arming our troops.
This is where the raw steel meets the war effort. Every bar, every sheet, meticulously sorted for the M1911 line. Here at the M1911 plant, the relentless pace of production ensures our fighting forces have the firepower they need. The arsenal of democracy relies on the tireless efforts of these dedicated workers, forging the weapons of victory.
A synchronized dance of steel and labor, forging the heart of the M1911 pistol for the war effort.
Here, the raw steel is tempered by fire, transforming it into the reliable M1911 sidearm so vital to the war effort.
Here, the pistol parts are subjected to intense temperatures, monitored closely by the dedicated workers. Day and night, these dedicated hands ensure the steady supply of arms for the boys overseas. A true arsenal of democracy.
Every component of the legendary M1911 pistol required meticulous attention, ensuring reliability for the troops overseas.
Here at the factory, dedicated men and women ensure every M1911 meets the rigorous standards demanded by our soldiers at the front.
Day and night, these dedicated workers fit the slides to the frames, a symphony of steel essential to the war effort.
Precision is paramount as the screws are tightened, ensuring the weapon meets the rigorous demands of the front line.
Here we see the meticulous process of fitting the walnut grips. Each screw must be set precisely to ensure the reliability.
Under harsh industrial lights, the Quality Control Division meticulously checked every component. Precision.
The synchronized procedures ensure that every pistol meets the strict quality controls demanded by the war effort.
Here we see the crucial protective finish being applied to the M1911 pistols, ensuring durability on the front lines.
In 1943, the Springfield Armory relied on meticulous quality control. Every M1911 was
Quality control was systematic. Workers meticulously checked every firearm, ensuring the precision required for the war effort.
Another 100 crates by sundown, ladies. Keep the line moving.
Yes, sir. Wrapping the last of the pistols now.
Send this batch to inspection immediately. We can't hold up the line.
Right away. Make sure the serial numbers match the log.
Amidst the clatter, these dedicated workers managed the massive flow of documentation required for the war effort. The arsenal operated around the clock, ensuring these vital M1911s reached the front lines.
Get these crates secured.
We need that pallet jack over here now.
Move it out. Steady on the line.
Keep it moving, men. We have a quota to hit before sundown. Let's load the next one. We need 50 more by nightfall. Keep them moving. Yes, sir. Right away.
Watch the clearance on that hoist.
Lower it steady now. Easy.
All right, bring the railway car up tight.
This vast depot, stretching nearly a mile, held the lifeblood of the war effort. Thousands of M1911 pistols awaited shipment.
We must ensure the barrel gauge clears the lugs on every single one.
It's within tolerance, sir. Verified and ready for shipment. We randomized the selection to ensure no batch is overlooked.
Slide action is smooth, sir.
Verified. Log it as passed.
Here in the final inspection corridor, every weapon was checked against the strictest standards before being cleared for the front.
Check the tolerances on the feed ramp here, Johnson. We can't have any failures in the field.
Ensure these records are precise, gentlemen. We cannot afford any discrepancies in the final count.
Yes, sir. We are moving them out as fast as they clear inspection.
Day and night, the factory workers ensured a steady supply of vital equipment reached the front lines.
We need 3 more for the north convoy.
Load them steady. Keep the line moving.
Keep them coming. We need these M1911s on the front lines by tomorrow.
Roger that. Loading bay clear. Lower it easy now. Make sure it lines up.
Got it. Secure that rope before the next stack arrives.
This output won't meet the ordnance target.
The rejection rate is too high. I'll send a runner down to the floor.
See here. This bottleneck on the assembly line needs addressing today. We can't afford any delays in production. We're falling behind on the shipment targets. Look here.
Sir, the rejection rate on the quality reports is still too high.
The rejection rate on the latest batch is unacceptable. We'll reinforce quality control on the line right away.
Precision was paramount. Every M1911 produced was meticulously logged by the clerks for the war effort.
In the arms factories of 1943, systematic record-keeping ensured that every M1911 met the rigorous standards of the Ordnance Department.
Rework the ejector schematic here. Get Miller on the milling machine right away.
Listen up, we're pushing for the quota today. Keep those M1911s moving down the line.
The tolerances on this batch are tight. Keep the feed slow.
All right, I've got it. Keep them rolling. The specs for the M1911s are right here. Watch the feed rate on the new steel.
Got it. We'll maintain the quota.
The quota for the M1911 frames is posted. We hit 75% today.
Good work. We'll take it from here. Keep the line moving.
Quality is paramount on the home front. These pistols, crafted by proud American hands, will ensure victory abroad.
As you can see, Colonel, the finish on this batch flawless. The craftsmanship is exceptional.
Indeed. We'll sign off on this shipment immediately.
The finish on these is exceptional, wouldn't you agree?
Absolutely. Ready for immediate deployment.
The M1911, a symbol of American ingenuity, produced with unmatched precision by the dedicated workers on the home front.